Hello, I'm Jason Longquist, and this is my tutorial on how to make a walk cycle. The first thing you want to do is establish your keyframes. In this case, I started with the leading foot. Second, I drew the leading foot landing. Notice how the trailing foot starts to raise. Next, I drew the foot that landed being drawn in the trailing position, and now the opposite foot is now leading. So basically, the opposite from where I started. I then take my first frame and compare it with my other keyframes, shown here in red. After that, I start to draw transitions between keyframes. The drawings used between keyframes are called in-betweens or tweens, shown here in blue. You want to use those to fill in the gaps of your animation to make it smoother. The more tweens, the smoother the transition between keyframes, but it will slow down the action. When I put them all together, as you see here, my rough animation, it's not perfect, could use a little more bounce and maybe some squash and stretch, but I think it turned out okay. In total, this made up about 10 drawings, and I recycled them over and over again, doubling down on each, meaning each drawing is 2 frames. Could be better, but I haven't animated in over a decade, and I'm pretty pleased with what came out. Thanks for watching, and I hope some of you new animators found this helpful. I encourage you to try it yourself. If I can do it, so can you. It just takes practice.